Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making fish jollof rice. This recipe is so delicious. You can even tell by the look. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to cook the fish to get a tasty broth for the rice. I'm using codfish. You can use any fish of your choice. I will add seasoning cube, salt, curry powder, chopped onions and minced ginger. I will add water, cover and allow it to cook. Here are my onions, peppers and tatashe. I will blend and set aside. Next I check on the fish and it has cooked really well. The next step is to fry the fish. In a preheated oil, I will add the fish and allow it to fry until golden brown. Once that is done, I will scoop it out of the oil and set aside. To make the stew base for the jollof rice, I will be using the combination of vegetable oil and palm oil. Allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my blended onions and peppers. Stir well to combine and add seasoning cubes, thyme, paprika powder and white pepper. I will stir very well to combine and allow it to fry. Few minutes later, I check on it and it has fried really well. Next, I will add my well-washed rice, stir very well to combine and add the fish broth. Stir and taste for salt. I'm going to cover with parchment paper and allow it to cook on a low heat until it dries up. At this time, I check on the rice and it's ready. I will set it aside and make pepper sauce for the fish. You guys, the pepper sauce will take this jollof rice to another level. But you can also enjoy your rice as it is. It's still delicious. To make the pepper sauce, I've added little amount of oil in a pan. Allow it to heat up. Next, I'll add my pepper mix. I'm going to season with all-purpose seasoning. Stir well to combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will add some of the fish to the sauce and mix, making sure it's well coated with the sauce. Once it's nicely coated, I will remove it from the sauce and add my prawns and the remaining fish, which I break apart. I'm going to allow it to absorb the sauce for 3 minutes on a low heat. Next, I will transfer the sauce to the rice. Mix very well to combine on a low heat and we are done. This recipe will exceed your expectation. It's so delicious and worth trying. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!